All right, it's Friday, June 26th. It is officially 10:53 a.m. My call time is at 11, so I gotta hurry up and get out of this car. If you're wondering where I am, I'm at the Atlanta airport because it's FIFA and they are doing all of these fun activations inside the airport and I get to host them. So if anybody is wondering, like, Crystal Lee, why do you always talk about print on demand and Printify and not fulfilling your own orders? Why don't you print them yourself? Because I'm busy. So for anybody who has your family, you got work, you got a lot going on, maybe you're in school, but you do want to sell shirts or anything else, this is why I love using print on demand. This is why I want to show you. Literally, this order just came in, $300+ that I am making, and I don't have to worry about printing it, packing it, or shipping it because Printify is going to do it for me, and I get to go inside the airport and have fun and turn up. And I'm going to take you along with me so you can see how my day is going inside the airport, but I got to go through security, so we got to go. By the way, this is my airport shirt. This is a part of the ATL shop, and it's Bella Canvas. I don't even know if I could show you that. I'll insert a picture, but it's Bella Canvas. Bella Canvas is on Printify. Shout out to them. I be putting y'all on game, okay? They have the best brands, and if the busiest airport in the world is using Bella Canvas, why not you? But Printify has over 1,000 products. There is so much that you can do there. Just start with one product today, though. Comment Printify if you want to join me and make money while you're making money, and I'll send you over my link so you can get started today. But let's go because I got to get through security. I got to grab all of my stuff, including you and my other phone. But shout out to my customers. I love y'all so much. Thank you for still supporting me even though I'm all over the place. But yes, get started right now. Go to Printify and start making some money. Okay, let's go. So if the busiest airport in the world has a t-shirt shop, why don't you? And you can do it and you don't have to spend any money up front. So we are clearly playing a lot of music in the airport. So I had to mute this because I don't want for YouTube to take the video down. But We had so much fun, and as you can see, I am having a great time talking to passengers, talking to employees. Shout out to Delta, because their employees had a lot of fun on the dance floor. We had a Soul Train line, we had a dance contest, we had prizes, we were giving away like gift cards and ATL stuff. So much fun. And you'll see throughout the video that there's going to be people dancing by, having a good time. So that just feels good to know that we made some people's day. I'm sure we made some people a little irritated because they were like, get out of my way, I got to get to my flight. But some people just had a great time. Like her back there, you see her? Some people just had a good time. They just really enjoyed the DJ. They enjoyed the prizes. They enjoy all the fun that we were having. So it was just great to kind of make people's day and to be able to dance and meet people from around the world because of FIFA. And that's what I love about Atlanta. Like, you will meet all kind of folks here in this airport. So I did change from my airport shirt and I have on a FIFA jersey right now because I was like, oh, that's cute, let me put that on. But it really didn't go with my outfit. So I'm kind of mad now that I'm rewatching this because I'm like, oh, that didn't go. It didn't go as well as my black and white shirt, but it's okay because I'm still having a great time. So here I am. There's one of the photographers. There is DJ J Smooth. So, and now he wants to do like a dance contest, which is so interesting to see a dance contest in the Soul Train line in the middle of a concourse. And we are in Concourse C right now, so it gets pretty busy. And we got face painting over here. There's like a photo booth. Here's the Tootsie Roll contest, and my girl was getting down, okay? And I love dancing with people, so I was like, come on, girl, let's get it. To the right, to the right, to the right. It was just a great time. It was a really, really great time. I'm so grateful for everybody who came out and had a good time with us. But I am tired, though. I am tired.
Yeah, I am back home. My feet are barking, and yeah, it was a great day though. But all of my orders got fulfilled. The money is on its way to my account. This is why I love working with Printify. This is why I love print on demand. Even if you want to do it yourself, like DIY, I would definitely say if you are busy and right now you just can't do that, try Printify. Like, start now, don't wait. You don't need any money up front, so you might as well just go ahead and start selling some stuff, start making some money, and then eventually you can do it yourself if you want to, but you might just love it so much and be busy forever like me. So I'm gonna rest these feet, and thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions about Printify or starting your own brand, let me know. You see I got on my feet for sure now. Very fun, but I am tired, so thanks for watching. Let me know your questions, and I'll see you in the next video.